manufactured in China. In the past, products made in China was often associated with things of low price and poor quality, which draw people's attention to quantity rather than quality. But now, products made in China has been given a new meaning, with features of high-tech, innovation, and high cost efficiency. Mobile phones, which are ubiquitous in our life, has become indispensable for Chinese people. China has become a well-deserved mobile phone manufacturing country with an annual output of nearly 2 billion smartphones. In addition to the leading number of mobile phones, the country has witnessed breakthroughs in accessory technology innovation. China's mobile phone manufacturer Huawei has released the world's first 5G mobile phone chip, with 1 billion to 1.2 billion transistors on 0.49 square centimeters with lower energy consumption and faster speed. In this way, the data transmission and computing can speed up to 10 times faster than existing 4G speed. If you want to download an ultra-clear movie, it will only take 3 seconds. More intelligent photo processing systems and richer derivative functions are realized one by one. More interestingly, Chinese scientists have also designed and developed a microscope called tip scope, which can be used directly on a mobile phone with a simple lens attached to it, which shows a fantasy micro world with a magnification of 400 times. Like 大疆, more and more drones appear in our lives. Logistics and transportation companies use it to quickly deliver goods to the hands of users across a long distance. In the process of earthquake relief, drones also make contributions to ensure the transportation of materials in disaster areas. In agriculture, managers also use drones to monitor the growth of crops, combined with satellite navigation and observation systems. Travelers also use drones to record the highlights of their trips from different perspectives. This super equipment is based on China's independent flight control technology and superb manufacturing technology. This has made people realize the convenience and fun brought by China's intellectual innovations. Products intelligently manufactured in China occupies an important position in transportation. The new energy electric vehicle industry is booming, with its endurance and safety factor gradually improved. These vehicles have become the main suppliers of electric buses in the world, and now China provides low-carbon, environmentally friendly travel to more than 200 cities in 48 countries. In China, you have the opportunity to take the world's first commercially operated high-speed Maglafly, or the Fuxing high-speed train, which travels at the world's fastest speed of 350 kilometers per hour. During the Football World Cup in Brazil, China's 114 subway lines and 124 electric cars also shared the heavy traffic pressure for Brazilian cities and escorted tourists to travel around the country. There are also a variety of special-purpose vehicles in special industries, vehicles for the disabled and the elderly, which have become new symbols in China supported by the continuous technological development. The instrument and equipment made in China have also helped us in the field of security. The perspective eye, made in China, has become a necessary artifact for major activities and important places in the world, ranging from the G20 summit in Hangzhou to the Rio Olympic Games. From the World Expo in Milan to Winter Olympics in Sochi, from the port of Hamburg in Germany to Thailand customs, More than 20,000 sets of Chinese-made security equipment are operating in more than 150 countries and regions to assist local security. At the same time, with growing energy demand, China can produce 6 major nuclear power plants that meet the highest safety standards each year, which saves the use of millions of tons of coal and adds energy to our lives in safe and clean conditions. New prefabricated buildings have also been put into the construction market blueprint, which will save the world 12% of its resource consumption. Even in the thinly stereotyped field of clothing manufacturing, new vitality has burst out led by science and technology, and the addition of robotic arm in factory frames has greatly improved production efficiency. What's more advanced is that, driven by big data, an assembly line no longer just produces one single style of clothing. Thanks to massive data input, the assembly can generate a unique production scheme and select different materials and production methods in more than 300 same production processes. This has helped to realize personalized clothing manufacturing with high efficiency and high quality. The implantation of the first 3D printing artificial tailors in the world indicates a new development direction of replacing human organ transplantation with bioprinted artificial tissue. The birth of precision parts and micro-objects printed at the nano level in one body, and so on, will bit by bit build up the imaginary vision and expectations. And the products made in China are creating a better future for Chinese people. We hope the world will fall in love with products made in China with high quality.
最好的产品在最合适的平台展示。
我们立志要成为中国最大的安全公司，
让世界爱上中国造。
我爱中国制造，
让世界拥抱中国制造。
我爱中国制造，让世界拥抱中国制造。我爱中国制造，
让世界拥抱中国制造。
It is the end of this lecture. See you in the next section.